Hi guys, it's Dr. Veronica. People often ask me, how could I decide? Is my cough due to acid reflux or maybe it's because of asthma or allergy? Here is how you can decide. This video for you and I'll try to make it very simple. Okay, let's go. Step number 1. You have to ask these questions. Question number 1. When cough started? 3 years ago, 3 months, or 3 weeks ago? When the cough happens? During the day or at night? In spring or during the summer? Maybe it happens only at home and not at work. This is important to identify allergies. What kind of cough is that? Dry or wet? If wet, could be white and clear due to allergy, blood due to cancer or tuberculosis, and green is bacterial usually. What makes it better or worse? For example, it's better at home and worse at work. Could be environmental allergy at work. Or worse during the spring, also could be environmental. Make sure to think about other symptoms. For example, cough due to GERD, other symptoms could be present there, such as bloating, indigestion, and constipation or diarrhea. Second point you have to keep in mind, cough can come from 4 systems in our chest and the throat. I drew them for you. So this is nose is yellow, nasal cavities, sinuses are here, and then as it goes down, it gets converted into pulmonary system. This is vocal cords, trachea, bronchs, alveolus, and its lungs. Then cardiovascular system, this is the heart, it's red. And finally, green is digestive system. Mouth goes into esophagus and it gets converted into or connected to stomach in the abdomen. So for systems, nose yellow, blue is pulmonary, cardiovascular is red, and green is digestive. The next step is number 3. Within those systems, red, blue, yellow, and green, within those systems, there are diseases that will cause cough. In cardiovascular system, congestive heart failure will cause cough. Patient will be older, weak patient cannot exercise physically, and the cough is the part of the big picture. Also, valves abnormality, usually young kids cannot exercise, cannot run, have a chest pain. Pulmonary system, cough could be due to pneumonia. What kind of cough is that going to be? It's going to be productive, probably green sputum. Also other symptoms will be there, such as fever and maybe even chest pain. COPD, cough in the morning, productive, white, also smoker. Asthma, cough could be more during the spring and autumn, or cold will precipitate this cough. There is no fever, sputum very little. Tuberculosis, productive cough, could be even with the blood. Bronchiectasis could be productive or non-productive, and the cancer, cough with the blood. Within the nose system, it could be usually sinusitis due to allergy or the infection. If it's infection, then the history of viral or bacterial infection, fever, nasal congestion, facial pain, and it's cough productive, usually green because of the bacteria it's there. Allergy, non-productive cough, and also could be worse during the spring and autumn. Gastrointestinal system will create a dry cough and chest pain that's usually burning, and it's acid reflux or due to hiatal hernia. Very infrequent cough could be due to enlarged thyroid gland or blood-lowering medication. ACE inhibitor could create cough also. So let's put it together. 4 systems, questions about what kind of cough and diseases that created cough. Look at that. So for example, patient had a bacterial or viral infection in the nose, such as sinusitis, means that there is inflammation here in the sinuses and posterior throat. There is a bacteria, so the cough comes out is productive, and green due to bacteria. If that's due to allergy, let's say allergen is floating here, allergen will go into the nose, will sit right here on the posterior throat, and patient will cough. Cough will may be productive or non-productive, but it's going to be white because there is no inflammation, there is no bacteria. Pulmonary system, pneumonia, tuberculosis, or even cancer. So cough is going to be productive, either green or yellow sputum or even blood due to cancer. Cardiovascular system means that heart does not work appropriately. Enlarged heart, pounding, pain during the exercise, and the cough is part of the big picture because lungs fills with water and patient just cannot breathe. And finally, digestive tract, when acid comes into esophagus from the stomach, goes up here and sits in the posterior throat and irritates the posterior throat. Irritation, there is inflammation, but there is no bacteria. So the cough is going to be dry, non-productive, and it could be all the time or particular time of the day. Nothing absolutely comes out due to this cough. Now let's go to the PowerPoint again. So you need to confirm your diagnosis. From which system it's coming out? Is it nose? Is it pulmonary system? Is it cardiovascular system? Or is it from the stomach? So look at the nose. Is there inflammation? Is there irritation in the nose? Look at the posterior throat. Is there a postnasal drip? What the color of the postnasal drip? White, clear, or is it green or is it inflammatory? So if it's pulmonary system, I'm thinking maybe it's cough due to pneumonia or tuberculosis. Chest x-ray will help to eliminate pulmonary cough. Laboratory work for allergies will help to eliminate allergy in the nose or asthma. When all of this eliminated and nothing is here, so what you left with the cough due to acid reflux. And if I'm still not 100% sure, is it really due to acid reflux? Then I send my patient to gastroenterologist to do gastroscopy and to see if there is any inflammation in the esophagus. Let's look at the clinical cases from my own practice. 65 years old male comes into office with complaint of on and off cough for the last 3 years. Cough with green, yellow sputum. So what kind of sputum? Green and yellow means inflammation for the last 2 weeks, but he is coughing for 3 years already, so it's chronic cough, long-standing. Last night, blood and sputum, so blood comes from the lungs, probably cancer. Mild chest pain when coughing, so chest pain not due to heart, only when coughing, so it's due to pulmonary. Let's dig deeper. Had viral infection 4 weeks ago, so there is inflammation there, no fever, contact with sick child, so probably some kind of infection. Smoked for 20 years. Here's the smoke in 20 years, here's his cough on and off for 3 years. Stopped 5 years ago. So what I'm thinking here, COPD due to smoking, acute bronchitis because green sputum for the last 2 weeks and contact with the sick child. And I cannot exclude cancer because blood in the sputum last night. So mode of action, chest x-ray, ASAP. Second example, 46 years old female. Chief complains chronic cough for how many? 4 to 8 months, so long standing. What kind of dry cough? Non-production, so there is no infection probably there. Gets annoying more and more. No chest pain, so not cardiac. No past medical history of smoking or viral infection, so there is no inflammation. More cough at home. Was on vacation in Florida and was not coughing there. So coughing only at home speaks about allergic coughing. Let's dig deeper. Has cat and a bird for 2 years. Possibility. Takes a blood pressure medication, does not remember the name of that, for the last 3 years. So what I'm thinking about, probably allergy, long-standing cough, and has a cat and bird. Could be due to medication, yes, probably. I will explore that. Let's find what kind of medication is patient taking. So at that time, do laboratory work for allergies. If it's negative, then think about possibility of drug-induced cough. Number 3, 63 years old female. Chief complaints, what kind of cough? Dry. Intermittent chest pain, what kind of? Burning. Not with physical activities, so it's not cardiovascular pain. Sometimes at night. Cough gets worse when the patient is lying down. Maybe acid reflux. Started 3 weeks ago. When? 3 weeks ago. After antibiotic. Okay, we know that antibiotic can create a lot of damage to digestive tract. Let's dip deeper into digestive tract. But look at that. She has a past medical history of grass allergies, so need to look into that. Take allergy medication on and off. After antibiotic, what kind of symptoms she has besides that? Bloating and constipation. So what I'm thinking about, allergy to grass? Yes, she has it. Does she has GERD? Probably, because she took antibiotic, a lot of damage, plus she has other symptoms, bloating and constipation. So do the laboratory work for the allergy, explore that and treat the allergy, and treat at the same time digestive tract. Maybe this cough also is due to GERD. Give the patient probiotic and digestive enzymes to handle bloating and constipation. I hope, guys, it is helpful for you. Ask me questions here. I am ready to answer all your questions. Thank you so much, and please check. I have a acid reflux cure course. Cure that without drugs. Link is below in the description. Thank you so much. It's Dr. Veronica Wax. Bye bye.